In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can reset your password in DeepSeek AI. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to chat.deepseek.com and log in to your DeepSeek AI account. Next, what you're going to do is go to the bottom left and click on Settings from the drop-down menu. From here, go to your profile. Okay, as you can see, we're going to first log out. Log out. Now, we're going to type in again the email address that we use. But instead of typing in a password, click on Forget Password. What this would do is you would type in again your email, and then once this sends a code, you will get that code. Then, after you put your code right here, get the code, continue, and then you can now type in a brand new password that you can use. So, type in the new password and confirm that new password, then reset. As easy as that, you've successfully changed your password on DeepSeek AI. Very easy, right? So let's try in the new password. Login. Voila! Very easy. So if you find this video helpful and want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.